Alume. Nkebeziokwu, till after November 8. I to say and okite, makafana confuse umuaka. I had to land the fake certificate. After the okite, the next group of one day fake certificate. Alume. I got all land grabbing in them and believe on them. I don't know if I can buy on you, but it's all organic. You may be my 11 Malanya. You know, I'm okay, my back. I can say without Pongos, it's our appointment here without Pongos. You without Pongos, English F9, mathematics F9, economics F9. So, in my English F9, how come we are going? And never how we go. In my mathematics F9, you have a compare Anambra. I have a compare. As an organ economy Anambra, but in where F9 economics. Basic economics, demand and supply. Don't wear F9. And I call no wonder businesses in our Obido Anambra, Vagina, Obido business in no man that's also land grabbing. Because I wear F9 economics, maths F9, English F9, economics F9, F9. So no wonder even you know Balaka or that. Our election card in Anambra Civil Service, only had qualified to be recruited as a driver. You were F9, okay, EJ school line, better school is home out because even now weekend. Governor. Nah, and I'm not you will be himself. Can you buy a column? Anyway, I'll look at democracy. Democracy on your Golu ticket party. Golu ticket party, Anambra, governor. One no job governor. You could see the governor. On your Kuzilia, where they get Yazwaya, I want to go beyond. But I'm at the land grabbing on them. I can't leave and I got. Otherwise, Ocha, one day and them is sand mining. Yes, now because also in the now, Tipagara was smoothly. Now, I get Deputy Ivaya. No. May put open Nukutata. Why, just one belly. Emma, INEC will call me in a field of the form. I say, if you lay all your qualifications, I say, if that form, if you Luciana, you go to court and swear that even you need the labor with the truth, nothing but the truth. As you say, get qualifications in where? Onyanka there, they senior secondary certificate, no problem. Ozozi, they PhD. Because senior secondary certificate, in where diploma, in where degree, in where masters. I will PhD. I will just here, oh well, of one year, chapter, PhD ad. Alume, where bolo parallel, or well, fake PhD, fake from a fake institution. Equal over $60, or believe I could never knock a so on yet all there, Abia, Monday and the vulcanizer on each other, what they were run over that university has no accreditation in the US, is not recognized by the National University Commission. In another parade, but you have a PhD. Fake. Okay, my just the senior secondary certificate. No, if you will, also, I am at least affidavit. Now that is, you have said the truth, nothing but the truth. You must say a senior secondary certificate. The next certificate you give PhD, and a Grego. Nkebezioku, till after November 8. I to say and kit, Makafana confused woman. I had to run the fake certificate. After the kit, the next group of one day fake certificate. Because it confuses the children. It confuses the young ones. That you should sit down, you are complete, you should have self-confidence in yourself. Oburuno first school living certificate KG. They proud. Oburuno senior secondary certificate KG. Making it. They proud. But don't go and use this in Kaifa. Just with the one fake Kifa. What are you telling the children? What are you telling the children? That you can get fake Kifa as a doctor. It's try go PhD. You go and sit down. You may say I publish I have a journal article in there. So na PhD you put that. All Governor Anambra State. I just go to November 8th.